What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Today we're gonna be draining everything, draining all the fluids, and starting to take apart the motor, getting ready for it to get pulled out. It has an oil leak in the back. I think it may be the rear main seal, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the motor and just redo all the gaskets and check everything over before we get the turbo kit. You can see right there, still leaks just a little oil. Not sure why, but they already have the oil return for the turbo because he was gonna boost it. They already have that cut out, but I think that's where it leaks most of the oil, to be honest. Because, yeah. And then back there more, you could see maybe where it leaks. But I already went ahead and took the hood off, the side fenders, the front bumper off yesterday. And then if you look back here, there's some rust. I went ahead and cut it out for a new piece of metal to get welded in. I took the bumper off because I'm gonna get a crash bar welded on, and the US bumpers are ugly as heck. Alright guys, so as you can see, radiator's out. I drained all the coolant, drained the oil. Probably gonna have to order a new one of these just because it's all corroded and stuff from sitting for so long. So we're gonna end up cutting this out because the intercooler won't fit with it all banged up anyway. Get a nice one welded up. These are probably gonna come out because they're all rusty, and this one's all ruined. This one moves and whatnot. So yeah, we're getting there. We're making some progress. Hopefully the weather holds out. I've been having a lot of fun. I'm sure you can see all these wires, but took the AC part out because it doesn't even have AC. I just cleaned up all the wiring and just kept the headlight harness. Cut all these out. I'm gonna clean this up in a little bit. I'm taking out the spark plugs. There's some oil on them, so I'm not sure what that's about, but we'll find out more when we dig into the motor. I take it apart to redo all the gaskets and stuff. But yeah, so AC compressor's out, radiator's out. I'm gonna end up cutting this out right here and getting a new bar welded in. Maybe some mountain brackets for the intercooler and oil cooler. But if you notice, it's definitely been an accident. They welded this white chassis from here over on with horrible welds. So, but probably gonna take the exhaust off next once I get these spark plugs out, and we'll keep going from there. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this rusty exhaust off. The problem with this car is it sat for 3 years without being started or anything, and it was in the grass, so all the bolts and nuts and everything are just all rusty and corroded, and there's rust everywhere. So I'm gonna order a lot new stuff for it, but figure out trying WD-40 these, loosen them up a little bit, see if it works any. I mean, you see how I chicken wire this all in to hold it in place? Yeah, but this is exhaust that was on the car. Little backyard built. Didn't sound too bad, but with the new manifold for the turbo, it's probably gonna just be single instead of this dual crap. But guess the headers are coming off next.
mean, I wasn't looking. I was entrusting it to you guys because I was not wanting to get involved, to be honest with you. We see how well that worked. Alright, let's get it out. Literally, that was what's holding it. This thing's free willy-nilly.
Wait. Alright.
That's exactly what we're holding it. How funny. Well, now we know.
Yep. From what we're doing back in.
Check the power steering.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car.
Yeah.
Wait, there's jack stay on this side.
Yeah, my side's got it on too. You want it out too?
Huh?
My side's got one on too. You want it out?
Yep. I'm gonna just drop an old bar now because
Okay.
it's clear.
The shift linkage is still in the back, but it won't do anything. No, you're good. There it is. Okay, wait, now, where is our sheet slash blanket slash something?
That blue shit.
I threw all the blue shit away.
Right there. Empty box.
Empty box.
That's so funny that CJ just like, now we got it. This is America. Please God. I appreciate you more than I show.
Love you guys more than I show too. Close it up.
Yeah.
Well, that's got to get replaced.
Yeah.
You see how weak that is?
Yeah.
It's folding in my hand.
Look, this is all.
Oh.
Yeah. Oops.
Oh. Just roll it that way a little bit. Out of the box. You gotta think out of the box. There we go.
Now should we bring it over there?
Yeah, that's ideally. Fuck your car. Grab my ass and shit. I'm not a piece of meat, okay?
I'm not a piece of metal.
It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna stick. No, it's going back on again.
This will be good enough. Yeah, that'll be good enough, because then when you get it on the box, I can slide it.
God, I smell this ass.
Go as slow as you can, if at all possible.
As slow as I can?
Yeah, I mean, that was good, that was good. I just didn't want it to go tumbling down out of the sky, that's all. Like that. No, that's fine, so. Now wait. There.
Hold the motor, ladies and gentlemen.
There it is. There it is, boys, there it is.
You got the thing.
Sorry. I'm gonna attach to it.
Been using it for about an hour and a half now.
Right.
God, just look at it, RTG, this fucking shit. Oh, it's everywhere. Okay, now here's the issue. Is this gonna wanna?
Nah, I don't think so.
Yeah, look, it's already wanting to rotate that way. So get some kind of wood blocks. And let's put on that side of the motor to keep it sturdy on that side. I can hold it. That's not a big deal.
Let it go.
Let it go!
Got it built up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, much better. Yeah, much better. Much more better.
It's like, got that.
Oh, that's still hooked on there, yeah.
Together. Together, boys.
That is the PP way.
There it is.
Motor in fans. Now see, buying a car like this, we're never knowing what to do.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, don't take that off, yeah. So, Parker,
Yeah, give us a rundown.
We need an official closing.
Okay, so in normal Parker performance fashion, I came into the bottom of the ninth and I'm the fucking hero. I told him to remove the power steering fucking line. Bam! Fucking motor comes out. But no, super exciting to have the motor and trans out. As you can see, we've been in war a little bit. Do you fuck with the war? And so the next step is gonna be start cleaning up the engine bay, working on cleaning up some wiring. We're gonna try and clean this with, I don't know, 7 million pounds of brake cleaner. And then we're gonna start getting parts off, clean them up. Stay tuned, man. We're well on our way to the drift build, boys and girls. Stay tuned, we'll see you soon. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're gonna do, actually when you get it, you're gonna have this retaining clip will be on here. You need